A centerpiece is such a big part of any event, either your wedding or special celebration. A centerpiece is so important. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make a floral centerpiece. Stay tuned. Hi, this is Adriel of Adriel Celebrations, a floral and event design company. Our goal in this channel is to share with you wedding planning tips, floral and event design inspiration, and of course DIY party decorations. So for my floral centerpiece, I want to go more for white and green. So for this floral centerpiece, I'm going to be using my greens, which is Italian Ruscus. Here, Israeli Ruscus, some white roses, some blush roses, maybe, hydrangeas, goodness, I can't pronounce my words, and some lisianthus. Also, for my vessel, I'm going to be using this DIY floral compote that I did and spray painted. In it, I already have my foam pre-soaked and secured, ready to design. So let us begin our design. I'm going to start with my hydrangeas. So it's a small size centerpiece, so I'm trying to utilize this big hydrangeas. These flowers can be found in your local floral market, your local grocery store, wherever you get your flowers, and you can choose whatever flowers of your liking. Okay, I'm done. Okay, what do you think of my garden inspired floral centerpiece? There's no right or wrong answer here. I used some greenery all over and then just put my roses and my white flowers the way I saw it. It's come out oblong I guess that's what I feel right now. But this is my garden inspired centerpiece. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and click the like button. Thank you so much. Bye.